Unless the Pittsburgh Steelers make it somewhere like the AFC Championship game, this might be Mike Tomlin's last year coaching in Pittsburgh. Because how in the hell do you allow the Baltimore Ravens, who started the season 1-5, who was without Lamar Jackson for 3 games, claim first in the AFC North Division? The Pittsburgh Steelers traded away George Pickens to the Cowboys. They traded away a 2nd-round pick to the Seattle Seahawks in exchange for DK Metcalf. They brought in an old-ass agent Aaron Rodgers, who didn't play yesterday. They traded for Jalen Ramsey. And they made TJ Watt the 3rd highest paid defensive end in the NFL. And somehow, some way, they still can't run away with the division when the Baltimore Ravens didn't have Lamar Jackson for 3 games and started the season 1-5. And the Baltimore Ravens at one point this season had a defense that was damn near at the bottom of the barrel in the NFL. And they allowed the Baltimore Ravens to come back and claim first in this division. This might be it for Mike Tomlin in Pittsburgh.